Get the invisible filter on Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So if you want to find that invisible filter that can make you invisible once you are showing up to the camera, then you will have to watch this video. So first of all, you have to go to your Snapchat account, of course, and then from here you have to go to camera. Then you have to click on the search icon from the left top corner and search for invisible. Click on the first filter and now you just have to record it. Just like this. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.